our car care series continues with master mechanic and industry expert Bogi. You've been teaching women for over 20 years on how to do it yourself. So let's get started. What are we going to do today?
All right, so today we're talking all about carbon deposits. Today's engine design and today's fuel supply means carbon deposits build up really quickly in your engine. And it can really hurt a lot of things in your car. Your fuel efficiency, your smooth running, the emissions that come out of your exhaust. And if you let it go for too long, it can cause rough running conditions that could ultimately leave you stranded on the side of the road. CRC makes this GDI IVD intake valve and turbo cleaner. Basically, that's a really long, fancy way of saying that this is going to clean out the whole inside of your engine and your exhaust system.
Okay, how easy is this?
It is so simple. You're going to love this. So I am going to put gloves on because safety first. And then some safety glasses just to be on the safe side. Every car is going to have a large corrugated black tube like this. About 4 to 5 inches in diameter. It's going to come from the main engine and run to your air box. So once you've located that, that's where we're working at. We want to locate where the electrical connector is. I want to inject the chemical past where that connector is. So in between the connector and my engine is where we're going. Generally, you're going to have a couple of hose clamps, whichever one's easiest to get to. I'm going to come to this guy, and we're just going to loosen this up. Once this is loose, I'm going to be able to pull this back just a little bit. I don't want to take it off completely. We're going to lift up our hose, and then with this pulled back, I can now put that in there, and we'll be able to spray the fluid into the engine. So now once I'm set up, I'm going to have you jump in the car.
Okay.
So go ahead and start it up, and I want you to run it at about 2,000 RPM. Just hold it there.
All right, getting in the car.
Okay. All right, now, and then just hold it there. Beautiful. And I'm just gonna spray it in quick 1 second spurts. You see how it changes the idle and makes it rev? That's totally normal. And we're just gonna keep doing that in little bursts. Our bottle is empty now. Okay, go ahead and rev it to about 3,500 RPM, okay?
I'm at 3,500.
Awesome. Hold it, hold it. Okay, that's probably good.
Okay.
Now go ahead and shut it off.
Oh, that was easy.
I know, well, especially for you. You didn't have to do anything. You just hung out there and revved the pedal. Now, it's very important that once you're letting it sit, make sure that this is tight, and then go back to your regular life. Then after an hour, get in the car, drive it about 10, 15 minutes, freeway speeds, and you're done.
Love it. For our viewers who'd like more information, where can they go?
Absolutely. So we can pick up this GDI intake valve cleaner at any of your local Napa Auto Parts stores, any major auto parts retailer, and of course you can go to the CRC website to learn more about this and all the other incredible products that CRC makes, and start doing some of these simple items yourself so that you can feel empowered and in control. I think that's the most important thing.
I love it. And for our viewers out there, if you'd like more information, you can go to our website, thebalancingact.com. All right, let's close it up.
Yep.
We are done.
While we wait for our hour, what'd you say we go grab some coffee? tea?
Let's do it.
All right.
Great job. So easy.
Right, I told you.
Okay, it's been about an hour,
Yep.
so let's go hit the highway.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Gorgeous day for a drive.
Thanks for all the car tips, really.
Absolutely, my pleasure. Thanks for having me.